Hey guys, welcome to SS Multimedia. I'm Kritika Balakanda, and today we are going to be learning how to work backwards. Our objective for today is understanding how to work backward in a word problem. Let's get started. The first question is, school starts at 7:45 a.m. So it starts at 7:45 a.m. It takes Fran 30 minutes to walk to school, 15 minutes to eat, and 20 minutes to get ready. What time should Fran get up? So basically, he has to school starts at 7:45 a.m. So first you have to add the 30 minutes to walk to school, 15 minutes to eat, and 20 minutes to get ready. You have to add all those up. So we have to add 30 plus 20 plus 15. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So our answer is 65 minutes. And I hope you know how many minutes an hour is. If you don't, an hour is 60 minutes, but this is 65 minutes. So that basically means 65 minutes is an hour and 5 minutes. So it's an hour and 5 minutes. So that's our answer. That's how long it takes him to walk to school, eat, and get ready. So basically now that we know that our answer is 65 minutes, or an hour and 5 minutes, we're just going to subtract 65 from 7:45 because that's the time school starts. So how we're going to do that is we have 7:45, right? Here, 7:45. Now we're going to try to subtract 65 minutes from 7:45. Or we can do 7:45 minus 1 hour and 5 minutes. So I'm just going to erase all this. So 1 hour and 5 minutes. So now let's just subtract. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. We have the thing. We just put these down here. Just bring them down, the 2 dots. And now 7 minus 1 is 6. So our time, the time that he has to get up is 6:40. It doesn't say that we have to write it in a full sentence in the word problem, but it's better if we do. Now we're just going to type in the answer in a complete sentence. Our answer is 6:40. So how we write this in a complete sentence is Fran should get up at 6:40 a.m. That is how you write it in a full sentence. Go to the next question. Our second question is, Wanda walked for 25 minutes from the mall to the train station. She waited 20 minutes for the train and then had a 20-minute ride. Her train arrived at 12:20 p.m. What time did she leave the mall? So let's just underline some key points. Wanda walked for 25 minutes from the mall to the train station. She waited 20 minutes for the train and then had a 20-minute ride. Her train arrived at 12:20 p.m. What time did she leave the mall? So if you didn't know, 12:20 p.m. means noon. So 12:20 p.m. is noon. Not at night, it's noon. So it's 12:20 p.m. noon. Now let's just add. Wanda walked 25 minutes from the mall. So she walked 25 minutes to the train station. She waited 20 minutes for the train. So she waited 20 minutes. And then she had a 20-minute ride. She had a 20-minute ride. So 5 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. So that's 5. And 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So again, this is an hour and 5 minutes like our previous problem. Now we have to subtract an hour and 5 minutes from 12:20 because that's the time her train arrived. So basically we don't subtract it. Never mind, we don't subtract it because it says her train arrived at 12:20 p.m. and she waited 20 minutes for the train. So that means she walked 25 minutes from the mall to the train station and 20 minutes to the train. So let me just erase this because that's all wrong. So basically, we have to add 25 plus 20. 25 is the time she walked, and 20 minutes is the time she waited for the train. So 5 plus 0 is 5, and 2 plus 2 is 45. So now we have to subtract 45 minutes from 12:20. So 12:20 minus 45. So basically there's only 20 minutes in here. So an easier way to do that is 45 minus 20 is equal to 25. So I'm just going to cross that off. But the answer is 25. So let me just erase all of this. So how we're going to do this is 12, we have 25. So now we have 12 o'clock because we subtracted 20 minutes from the 45 minutes that we were subtracting from 12 o'clock. So now the answer we got, 45 minus 20 is equals to 25. So 12 o'clock minus 25. Remember, there are 60 minutes in an hour, 60 minutes. So, and how we find this out is 60 minus 25 is equal to 35. Or you can do the math. We can't subtract 5 from 0, so we borrow. This becomes a 5 and this becomes a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer is 35. So our answer over here is 11:35. It's 11:35 because this 11 right over here, we can't have 12 anymore because these two are zeros and we subtracted time from 12. So this, I have a challenge for you. Write a problem that uses working backward, then answer your question. So pause the video and do this problem and comment down your answer below. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SS Multimedia. Bye!